All right, John.
How about franchising versus starting up?
I mean, I'm biased, right? Okay, like,
Right.
but honestly, having gone through this experience myself, like, I feel like, like when I think about my home care agency, right? Like, I realize now, like, the power of, like, because we've started 3 businesses all from scratch with no courses and like no help. And each one of them have just been a painstakingly long process of trial, error, learning, spending ungodly amounts of money on stupid stuff that I just, there's just so much that we've learned over the last 3 to 4 years that I'm like, in my mind, I'm like, dude, let me save you the money and the aggravation and the headache and just follow the system that I know works. It's like now at least we have a really strong foundation, and we now as a provider network, we get to partner together, right? Like we're like, your success is my success. So when I think about the franchise relationship, and the more I've learned about it, because I was kind of always a little hesitant against it, the more I realize that if you pick the right franchise partner, it really does add a lot of benefit. And the if you're thinking about your exit strategy, like in your mind, you're like, okay, is this a legacy play for my children, to take over? Is this my, kind of like the thing I want to do as I go into retirement? Is this something I would like to do for 10 years and have an exit from? There was a study done, and franchise companies typically will sell for 1.5 times that of a non-franchised company. And so just, that in and of itself, to me, plus all the systems, plus you're getting like a full-time business coach, right? You got someone to call on. You're basically like, they're helping you, you're paying your royalty, but at the same time, you got a full-time business coach. You got someone to call on, to lean on. You're part of a national network. You're not just Bob's, adult daycare. Like, you're part of a national brand, a much larger organization, and you have all that back-end support, and you're learning from your network, right? So you have so-and-so over here, it's super successful, and now we get to figure out, okay, what are they doing, and how do we replicate that with all of our other folks? And you're getting all those trade secrets that you're not going to get as your own provider,
Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you'd like to learn how to open your own adult daycare center, go to adcpro.com. If you'd like the latest business tips, click here, and make sure you subscribe to our channel. Click here. We'll see you guys next time.